Drupal is a flexible and extensible CMS framework written in PHP. This demo shows how to install Drupal on Platform.sh using the CLI. First, you can use the CLI command platform.create to create a new project, specifying the region, plan size, number of development environments, and storage you want for the project. The project will be created in a few seconds, and the CLI will provide a project ID you can now use to interact with it. Next, you can use the CLI command platform environment init along with the project ID to initialize the project with an existing Drupal repository, such as our Drupal 8 template. So long as the repository contains Platform.sh configuration files, it will then build and deploy the site. First, Platform.sh will run through the build hook of the application's platform.app.yaml file, which defines its build process. Once completed, Platform.sh will validate domains for the environment and issue new Let's Encrypt certificates for them if not present or if they will soon expire. Then the environment is created and deployed. Finally, you can verify that Drupal deployed successfully by visiting the site using the CLI command platform URL. The command will open the environment in a new browser window, and you will see that your Drupal site is now ready to install.